Hello guys, and welcome back to Carl is ONIT. So today, this is going to actually be a very sort of backwards video, but anyway, basically, jeez, yes, that's a Focus ST. Basically, what I was trying to say, before the nice pops and bangs went off, I'm basically trying to work backwards and put in the mesh. So we've got the mesh here. So what I'm going to do is remove the diffuser now and then cut it using a steel cutter. There's some parts in there that you basically link into. If I had my camera, there's, you can see that little clip there. Basically use one of these clips, and once you put the mesh onto it, you clip it down with these and that will lock it into place. So we're basically going to get straight into doing that, so let's go. So what you need is an 8mm socket to remove it. So let's get straight into doing that. Another one right over here. Ding! Round one. Ding! So 4 bolts are out now, time to remove it. Basically, each corner. Easily remove like this. And out of the way. Pull up here. There we go. Now we know what we're working with, so we need to basically get some of that mesh. Ugh, it's so loud in here. Got some kids riding around on their bike, so they're just making a lot of noise, enjoying themselves. Anyway, so get this mesh. Bloody hell, this made me feel dizzy for a second just looking at it dead on. Anyway, use a steel cutter and try and shape it into that, basically. So yeah, let's just, first we're just going to do like a rectangle. Big rectangles to say from here to there to there. Anyway, let me just get cracking. So there we have it. We've got a piece over here. Quite an alright cut, I guess. First time ever. Anyway, so what I'm going to do is place it on there. I need to sort of get one of these into these gaps here, and then essentially I would use the one of these bolts here and these things here to pin it down. So let me just get straight into that. Should have put it a bit bigger, to be honest. Anyway, we'll make do what we've got. Should have cut a bigger piece. Right, so I'm going to cut myself a piece. Well, I almost said cut myself into pieces.
Really?
So yeah, I'm going to cut myself a piece. I want it a bit bigger than this so I can get a bit more of it. So essentially from here. you want to work with as much of the aluminium as possible. That way you can get a base, you can get a cleaner cut, cleaner finish of it. And just to let you guys know, I've never done this before, so what you're seeing is what you're getting. Getting the hang of this, to be honest. It's quite cool too. I wouldn't say it's easy, but there's a lot of detail needs to go into it. I don't want it to look tacky, do you know what I mean? So, yeah. And be very, very careful as well. What you don't want to do is end up cutting yourself. So, cut myself a piece. So what I'm going to do is now position on the holes that I want. So I'm going to try and position it on the holes I want. Let me take the camera out so I'll show you. So now what you want to do is position on one of these clips here, well, both of them, and make sure the end bits are lined as well. So once you position it, you try and wiggle it in and then get the plier, and what you want to do, once you find your desired hole that you want to put it into, you basically get the plier and wiggle it through. So I'm just going to put the camera down and do that now. So we got a much better finish on this side. I didn't get a chance to show you the actual sort of mesh build that I did on there as well. So that's the finished product. One second, let me just get my phone so I can get the flashlight on there. So this is the finished design now of it, and it looks so clean now. It's even very firm on as well. You can't really bend it or anything like that. And yeah, absolutely amazing. So yeah, so basically gonna put the camera down and then go down there. So let's go.